Okay, I'm trying to pick this Viro this morning. Let's try and get some feeling back into our pain. Some sensation back to our picking. I'm getting a little sore. Yeah, long story. Okay, let's try this one. Let's give it a try. Generally, when I'm trying to pick these without the detent in, without a key, without a ground down key holding the detent, I just go along light tension and just pick anything that binds a little, and then eventually you only have to go back and forth a couple of times. They do like to jump. There we go. So that nice clicky feeling, and a real definite feeling in the plug there, and there we go. Pop already. There you go. It's done. Viro padlock picked, and I did the key off this one. This key off that padlock. It's typical of those keys in it, of these Viro padlocks. Always one or two high ones and a low one. Yeah, she works well. That's right. Oh, close. It's a bit in pain, isn't it? Come on, there we go. Okay. See you later, fellas.